EVs aren't just about batteries. They're packed with cutting-edge tech. Huge touchscreens, slick interfaces, and over-the-air software updates make them feel like smartphones on wheels. Your car can get new features or better performance overnight, just like your phone. Preheat or cool your cabin from an app, check charging status, or find your car in a crowded lot. This level of connectivity is redefining what we expect from our vehicles. While gas cars are adding tech, EVs are leading the charge with smarter, more adaptable systems. For tech lovers, this is a major draw. The future of driving is digital, and it's already here. Of course, EVs have their challenges, mainly charging and range. Charging takes longer than filling up with gas, especially on road trips. Home charging is easy for daily driving, but long journeys require planning. Public fast charging networks are growing, but they're not as widespread as gas stations, yet. Range anxiety is real. Running low on battery far from a charger can be stressful. Not all chargers are equal, different speeds, plug types, and sometimes broken stations. But the good news? Battery tech and charging speeds are improving fast. New EVs offer longer ranges, and ultra-fast chargers are rolling out. Every year these hurdles get smaller. For most daily driving, range isn't an issue anymore. The infrastructure is catching up, and soon, charging will be almost as easy as filling up. The bumps in the road are real, but they're temporary. The future is charging ahead.